Hi, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Noor's Garden and Kitchen. Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak to everybody. Ramadan started and Alhamdulillah, we are all going to be fasting. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all of our prayers and fasting. And so I thought we can start with the first recipes, drink after we fasting all day long. We would like to drink something, everybody goes for the drink first. So I'm going to be making mango lassi today. I'm going to starting my recipe with the mango lassi and spicy lassi. If people don't like sweet mango, so some people like me with a diabetic, we can have a spicy lassi. So masala lassi, okay? So we're going to do these two lassis today, okay? Let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make these lassis, okay? Okay friends. To make mango lassi, we need some fresh mangoes. You can put the canned mangoes, but it's going to be too much sugar in there. So I'm not adding any sugar in there. A lot of people do add sugar. Like I always said, we don't eat very sweet. So I have some mangoes and some ice and some yogurt or whole milk yogurt. And I have some nuts grinded a little bit coarsely, okay? Let me show you how to first cut these mangoes. There's two, three different ways you can cut the mangoes. First, you can peel these mangoes if you want. It's easy to peel the mangoes like this. The mangoes are not very fragrant over here in the USA. The mangoes are good. Some of the mangoes comes like a marathon mangoes. They have a lot of good flavor there. But Indian mangoes are Indian mangoes. There's so much fragrance, so nice. Okay, then we can just cut it like this, and like this, okay? So let me go show you another kind how we can cut it, the mango. Let me show you another way also you can cut the mango, okay? Okay, also what we can do is just cut the mango like this and cut it like this, and you can just cut it like this, or maybe you can take a spoon and scoop up everything. See, it's easy to cut that way too, okay? Okay, let's go start making them. Okay, we'll put some ice in there first. Few pieces. Okay. Then I'm gonna put some yogurt. Then we'll put this mango. And grind it. Okay, that's done. Let me put in the glasses and show it to you. Okay friends, to make spicy masala lassi, I am taking some plain yogurt And I'm going to put a little bit of garlic paste, or you can put the ginger paste, whichever one you choose. And then I'm going to add some salt, a little bit of salt to your taste, and some cumin powder, a little bit, maybe quarter spoon. And then I'm going to add a couple of leaves of mint. And some people add green pepper, but I don't like that, it's too spicy. So then I'm going to grind this. I'm going to show it to you. Okay, I'm going to put it in the blender and grind this and show it to you. Okay friends, our mango lassi is ready. You can decorate with some nuts. I have some pistachios and some almond, coarsely grind, a couple of petals of rose petals. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's a mango lassi. And this is a masala lassi. So we're gonna masala lassi, we're gonna decorate with the mint. So masala lassi. This is masala lassi. This is mango lassi. This is very good for the, after you break fast, is good for your stomach, and also this has a lot of probiotics. And well, okay, I hope you're gonna enjoy this lassi. We'll see you in next video. If you like the video, please definitely click like and share and subscribe. If you are new on the channel, please subscribe. Okay, we'll see you in next video. Bye.